Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I filmed a get ready with me. So this would be typically like not my everyday look, but like what I would wear if I'm like gonna go hang out with some friends, like go to the mall, go shopping, out to eat. I also addressed how to contour in this video. If you guys want to keep watching, that'd be great. I also would love it if you would comment, subscribe, also follow me on Instagram. And thank you for watching, and I hope you guys like the video. Okay, so first I'm going to prime my face. I'm using the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer. This is what it looks like. You honestly don't need a lot to prime your face. This is like about as much as I put on. Next, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. So I'm using the LA Girl Brow Pencil. This is what it looks like too. Usually it has writing on it, but I use this a lot, so all of it is gone. But yeah, go ahead and do those. I honestly hate doing my eyebrows because it takes so long. I'm not gonna like really focus on them that much in this video. Okay, next I'm gonna use concealer to do my eyebrows and prep my eyes. So I'm using the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. This is what it looks like, and it's in the shade Light Sand. Okay, I know it looks crazy, but you gotta trust the process. So next I'm going to use an eyeshadow base. I'm using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor 03. That's what it looks like. This base is really good. It really makes eyeshadows stick, and also it makes them very vibrant and helps the color stay on really well. So I really suggest getting the P. Louise base. It's bomb. That's Peaches.
She's my cat.
I'm gonna go ahead and move to the eyeshadow. So this is my go-to palette for my everyday look. It's the BH Cosmetics. It's my... honestly have no idea how you pronounce it. But this is what it looks like. And it's really beat up because I use it almost every day. So I use this color right here, and then I'll go ahead and go in with this shade. So I usually only use like 2 shades just because I like a natural type of look that I wear every day. So the shade I'm going in with now is called Nudist. And I'm using the Be Bella Shadow Fluff 110 brush. And I usually just use this as a transitions shade, so I put it all over my eyelid. And then next I'm going to get the shade Spice. And then using the same brush, I'm just going to go on the outer corners of my eye. And then I'll start to blend inward to the inner corner of my eye. And that's all I'll do for the eyeshadow, honestly. Sometimes I'll add a little bit of a shimmer. Maybe I'll do that today. So I'm gonna go in with Allison. It's a really pretty pink color. I'll show you, can't see it, but this is the shade. and I'll just use my pinky to apply it. And it's super easy. So next I'm going to do my foundation. And I use my finger to blend it out. Why not? Cool. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation. So I'm using the 235 Pure Beige in the Dewy Smooth Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is what it looks like. It's really good. I honestly have oily skin, so like when I bought the wrong one, but that's okay because I can fix that with some powder and we will be all good. But yeah, this foundation is really good. If you need a good foundation and you want to go to the drugstore, definitely recommend that foundation. The matte one is really nice too, and they have really good undertones. So next I'm just getting a concealer brush, a flat brush, and I apply the foundation with it like I'm painting my face. So that's how I apply the foundation, and then I'll get another brush. So I'm using a flat top foundation brush, and then I'm using sort of like a condensed buffing brush. So I'll use these two. They're both by B Bella. I really like her brushes. So with the flat top foundation brush, I'm just going to blend it together. This foundation is really liquidy, and honestly it takes a little bit to dry, but once it dries and like sets on your face, it looks so pretty. I'm gonna get the B Bella buffing brush, and I kind of do like small circles, and what this does is it just kind of like softens the foundation so it doesn't look as cakey. And I'll do half of my face and you guys can see the difference on the other half. Or I think it makes a difference. Like this side compared to this side. Okay, next I'm gonna grab more concealer because that's just what I do and I love concealer. And it's still the same concealer, the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. So then I'm gonna get my pinky again and just highlight these areas of my face. And then grabbing the buffing brush again, I'm just gonna blend this white out so it's not super white. How I contour. So first I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Golden Sugar to Rose Gold palette. It's the Ultra Blush palette. So once again, this is from Makeup Revolution, and I use these two shades only. They're more of like a bronzing type of shade. I use the Ulta Beauty cheek brush. This is what it looks like. You don't have to get this brush, but this is the brush I use. I blend these two shades together. Make a face like this. And then I hold the brush at the tip like this. It doesn't really have to be flat like that, but I just hold it like this with these two fingers and my thumb. And I just kind of like drag it up and down. A little aggressive with it, honestly. And I'm kind of just like bronzing my cheek first. Okay. Next, what I do is I'll grab the Morphe M536 brush. It looks like this. It's kind of like a denser brush. And then using Makeup Revolution again, I'm going to use the Ultra Contour palette. And I go with this shade right here or this shade. It just kind of depends like how deep I want my contour. I grab it and I pinch the ends. Same face. And when I do this, I'm going to just go in softer and drag up. And I'll drag up to my ear. So this is the top of my ear, and so I follow this line. And then after, I kind of just like blend it out a little bit. And then after this, I'm going to set my face. Using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is my favorite translucent powder ever. I really like the Laura Mercier translucent powder just because it like keeps me nice and matte and dry on honestly almost the whole day. So I'm using that same brush that I used, the Morphe M536 brush. And then I'm just gonna put this underneath my eyes. Oh my god, I just looked into the light and blinded myself. And I kind of look up when I do this too. So then I'm going to tilt my head like this. And then same thing, I pinch the brush and draw a line. With the excess powder, I kind of just put the rest on my face. And then I'm going to dust my under eyes off. So while this is setting on my face.
Oh wow, look at that.
I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner and put eyelashes on, and yeah, and then I'll be back and you guys can see the difference. This is like my contour cheek. Afterwards, people like ask me how to contour, and I honestly think I'm okay at it. I'm not like the queen at contouring, of course not, but sometimes I go like really deep in the contour and like cut. But this is kind of like an everyday look for me. Maybe I'll do like a full glam where I like really contour the shit out of my face. Takes literally like 5 minutes just to put them on. Okay, bottom eyeliner, check. And now our highlighter. The Fenty Beauty Mean Money and Hustla Baby highlighter. This is my favorite highlighter and I'm running out, as you can tell. But it's literally my favorite highlighter I've ever used, ever. I love the Fenty. Woo! I go crazy with highlighter. I freaking love it. Some people are like over the highlighter phase and I'm just like, how? How are you over it? Like, I love a matte and a dewy look. And now we're gonna add some lipstick. So I'm using the Lorac Pro in the shade Plum Brown. I love Lorac lipsticks, definitely recommend. 10 out of 10. And here you go. Okay guys, so that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. This is pretty much like what an everyday look for me would be like. And also I hope you enjoyed learning how I contour my face. Honestly, I might get some like backlash for how I contour my face because like how I hold the brushes and stuff. But in my opinion, there's no rules to makeup or to art. Like, it is what works for you and how you make it, and this is a technique that works for me. So I hope if you guys try it, it also works for you. So yeah, this is how it ends up looking. So I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you learned maybe some new tips, new tricks from that. Thank you for watching, and let's get talking. Let's do something, like, I don't know, share some ideas. I'm up for whatever. So thank you for watching. Imagine if I did get filler though, honey. You know what? I was going to curl my eyelashes. I can't find the curling iron. Oh, there it is. Oh, come on, some lip gloss. Part one. Honestly, I think these are like 2 different eyelashes. Oh, boo. I love that.